Welcome to Ladysmith, British Columbia, perched between ocean and mountain, where coal history, coastal charm, and a few surprising celebrities collide. As your virtual guide, I'll take you through a town planned by ambition, built with grit, and filled with stories you won't want to miss. Back in the early 1900s, this now tranquil harbor roared with coal freighters and lumber rafts. This is where the town earned its keep, loading black gold from nearby mines onto ships that powered Pacific industry. These lands remain the traditional territory of the Sumanas First Nation, who have fished, foraged, and flourished along this coast for thousands of years. The harbor's bounty long predates steamships and rail lines. This was once a hub for harvesting clams, salmon, and cedar. Welcome to First Avenue, the heart of historic downtown. These buildings have seen miners, musicians, and merchants peer into the shopfronts for tin ceilings, brickwork from the turn of the 20th century, and echoes of a coal-fueled past. Ladysmith was laid out by coal baron James Dunsmore in 1904. His idea? A purpose-built town for his miners and their families. When he wanted them to move from Extension, he just picked up their houses and shipped them here, by rail. Some woke up to find their homes gone and relocated. Just down one of these streets, a Hollywood legend began. Pamela Anderson, iconic actor and activist, was born here in 1967. Before Malibu, she was a kid playing in the shadow of Vancouver Island's forests and tide pools. Consider a visual cue like a faded newspaper photo or vintage family house overlay. Ladysmith's creative current runs deep. Singer-songwriter Ryan McMahon grew up right here, blending heartfelt lyrics with the rhythm of the island. If you listen closely, you'll feel the town's heartbeat in his music, raw, rooted, and real. The sleepy streets fool you. Ladysmith produces champions. Olympic-level swimmer Faith Nelson trained right here. In these waters and on these decks, she chased her dreams with every determined stroke. We end where the rails met the tides, Transfer Beach. Once a timber and coal transfer hub, now a serene escape. It's here you truly see Ladysmith, a place of grit, grace, and growth. From indigenous stewards to industrialists, from Baywatch to ballads to Olympic lanes, every story starts in a small town.
Huge monuments. This seemed to be more direct than when I drove to my hotel. They went up the hill a little bit. You can see some of the I got my camera above the bushes here. You can see the colonial style houses. I believe they may have put that major road up the top of that hill to avoid the traffic and just going this beautiful portion of the city of Ladysmith. Still pretty busy, as not a major road like the one that these cars are turning left up. We still have a little ways to go. See, there's a huge agricultural hall to my left around the roundabout. Looks like it was made for the air cadets. This is air cadets right at the top. On the other side of the highway is the train station. The old train station, not in use anymore, by CNN. This is why Ladysmith became a pub. Looks like there's some people in the back of that field there by doing some warm-ups before a game. Parallel. Oh yeah. Now this little walk is pretty easy. I thought it was going to be more difficult. Here's the Tim Hortons I went to earlier today, as I have already been on 3 different walks today. That was including this one. I believe there's a park in here. Lobster Park. There's a sign down here I would like to show you. again, Ladysmith is right by the freeway number 1 here in BC, or Trans-Canada Highway. That's what it is. All the turns you can see in the park. You don't need to go in it. Welcome to Ladysmith. It might be more out front. So when I cross the... I'm going to chase them a little bit.
This 1910 station linked Ladysmith to the broader world.
Couple,
Coal, passengers, and post rode these rails.
Well.
And it's one of the last original stations still standing on Vancouver Island. Today, it welcomes guests to explore the past, one step at a time.
Sorry for scaring you. I know you're babies. I'm not going to hurt you.
Thank you for joining this immersive journey through historic Ladysmith, BC. If this town's story surprised you, there's more where that came from. Hit like, subscribe, and let us know which stop spoke to you the most. Until next time, keep exploring virtually.
Building itself.